Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make coffee using a milk frother. First, gather your coffee, milk, and frother. Select fresh, cold milk as this helps create the best foam. Make sure your frother is clean and in good working order. Having everything prepared beforehand makes the process smooth and enjoyable, setting you up for a perfect cup. Now let's froth the milk. Pour your cold milk into the frother, being careful not to exceed the maximum fill line, usually marked inside. Turn on your frother and let it work its magic. You'll see the milk transform into a creamy, airy foam. Keep an eye on it until it reaches your preferred texture and temperature, typically around 150 degrees Fahrenheit. While your milk is frothing, or just before, brew your coffee. Choose your favorite blend and strength, whether it's espresso, drip, or French press. Using a fresh coffee grind will significantly enhance the flavor of your final drink. Have your favorite mug ready and waiting, as we'll be combining everything soon for a delightful beverage. Finally, it's time to combine your perfectly frothed milk with your freshly brewed coffee. Gently pour the warm, frothed milk into your cup, allowing the rich coffee to blend with the creamy texture. If you like, use a spoon to add any extra foam on top. Now, take a moment to savor your delicious homemade coffee creation. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.